Hey guys, for this video I just wanted to do a quick install in how to upgrade your DT Swiss hub to the 54 tooth ratchet. I've got the kit right here. I have a link in the description below where you can go grab this. We'll just go take a look at my rear wheel and my salsa cutthroat and we'll get this swapped over real quick. So the reason for this upgrade from 18 tooth to 54 tooth on the rear hub is the engagement. So when you're pedaling on the 18, you've got a lot of degrees right here that you can even hear. I've got the DT Swiss CR 1600 spline wheels on this bike. So here's the before. First thing we're going to want to do is take off the rear wheel. As you can see here, we've got our new 54 tooth ratchets, our special grease from DT Swiss. We've got these two conical springs, and let's go ahead and install this real quick. We've got our wheel here, and all we've got to do is go ahead and pull off this cassette. So here's our old 18 tooth ratchets. And this old conical spring. Want to make sure we see which way it comes out, just like this. I'll go ahead and set that off to the side. I'll go ahead and wipe off this axle. We'll go ahead and grab our new spring. Grab our cassette. Take out this old spring, came out just this way. We'll go ahead and clean out the inside of the cassette. Go ahead and put our new spring in. Get our special grease. Our new 54 tooth. We'll go ahead and put the new 54 tooth in. Go ahead and feel that engagement. Now we can go ahead and do a sound check on the new 54 tooth. So here's the before. Alright, I hope you guys like this video of the 18 tooth, 54 tooth upgrade on the DT Swiss CR 1600 wheels. Stay tuned for more POV mountain biking next weekend in Bentonville, backyard trail building, and more bike upgrades.